how to train your brain to work for you. Today I will tell you 5 simple things that you can do to train your brain to work for you. Hi beautiful souls, I am Bithika. Welcome to my channel Divine Healing.
In this channel we talk about self-concept, awareness, mindset shift, and most importantly, know thyself. So if you're interested in these topics, do subscribe and stay tuned.
Now these methods are going to be very simple, which you can do it by yourself. Now before we start doing it, it's important that you set an intention that from today onwards I am going to train my brain to work for me, not against me. Because there are a lot of programmings which are there and it is actually running you. Instead, you should be running your brain. You should be giving command. So intention is such. Now, let's start with the first way. Take a pen and paper and list down all your limiting beliefs. How will you do it? Take those areas of your life where you face the most difficulty. Okay? And just dig into your mind and see what changes you should bring so that that area is no more affected. Let's take an example, relationship. You face people or partners who cheat on you. Just reflect that what is my self-concept? Why am I attracting this kind of people? What are the limiting beliefs I have about relationship? Let's understand about career. If you want a job but everywhere you're getting rejected, just sit back and list down what are the limiting beliefs you have about yourself in regards to a job. Such as people have told you that, working on this company is hard, or getting a job in this company is hard, you need this and this criteria. So all are programming and your mind is taken because they are saying it as a proof. So just list down all your limiting beliefs, and that is kind of a brain turning point, mind turning point, because it will take time. Take at least 2 to 3 days for each aspects of your life. Dig down everything, what problem you have faced, research, read books, watch videos, watch my videos. If you want me to make a video on exactly how to find out limiting beliefs, you can comment down limiting beliefs. I'm gonna surely bring out videos for you guys where I will explain you step by step how to do it. This is the first step, listing down all your limiting beliefs. And the moment you list down all your limiting beliefs, acknowledge them. What is acknowledgement? Acknowledgement means I accept that yes, this has been conditioned to me. And on the basis of this conditioning, I was operating. Now, when you accept something, you create space for new things to come. When you're unconscious or when you're rejecting, there's no space because that's limitation. But when you're accepting that, yes, it is like this, but I choose something else, that's when alchemy takes place. So list down your limiting beliefs and acknowledge each of them that yes, for some reason it is there with me. I have been conditioned, but now I choose to install different datas in my mind. Second, catch hold of the whispers of your mind. Yes. Tell me, if you are obeying what your mind is saying, who is listening? That's a big question. So we all get whispers of our mind. Whenever we try to do something, there's a faint voice who's like, "Tujhse nahi hoga. You'll not be able to do it. How will you do it? It's so difficult. No, that's not possible. Arey, this is so difficult, That path is not for you. Can you do it? You have failed before." These are the whispers. Catch hold of them. Every time there is a whisper in your mind. That very moment, if you can catch hold of it, that's when you will be able to train your brain to work for you, because those are your unconscious patterns, unconscious things that you have accumulated over your life, and on the basis of that programming, whenever you try to do something, it will give you feedback. Now your work is to catch hold of them, observe them. By observing your whispers, the moment they do it, you will be able to break this pattern, and your mind will be more observant, your mind will be more focused on what you're actually trying to reinstall, the belief that you want about a particular scenario. So catch hold of your whispers. Third, and this is related to the second point, observe your thoughts. Anytime you're thinking anything, working, cooking, even in office, even in toilets, you're thinking something all the time. All the time you're thinking something. Except when you're sleeping, you're not thinking, but you're thinking. Observe your thought. How to do it? You become a third person, become a third party in your mind, okay? And whenever you feel like I'm thinking, like something is chattering in my mind, just observe them. Oh, I am thinking now. Just this one thought. Oh, I am thinking now. Because then unconsciously we are thinking and we don't even know. Just like conscious breathing, we are breathing all the time. How many times you catch up your breathing? So that's why conscious observation of your thoughts will help you to train your mind to work for you. Because that's like a old playlist that keeps on playing, but when you just focus your thoughts on, like, oh, I'm thinking right now something, I'm thinking, oh, I'm thinking about job now. You're sitting in your washroom and restroom, whatever you say, and you're just thinking about, oh, what will happen today at work, I've not prepared the project. You're doing peeing or pooping or whatever you're doing, you're not concentrating on that, and then you will complain about, oh, I have got problems. So whatever you're doing at that moment, that is the second thing that you need to do, to observe what you're doing. But then the first thing is what you're thinking that moment. And the moment you will catch hold of what you're thinking, you will not think anymore. And you will be more focused on the present moment, what you're doing. Complete focus. And that's how you will be training your mind. Number 4, in order to train your brain to work for you, you have to regulate your nervous system. Period. Nervous system is where all the control is. You have to do activities that regulates your nervous system. Meditation, walking, physical activity, deep breathing. These are the highest medicine in the universe. There is no bigger medicine than meditation. There is no bigger meditation than deep breathing. And there is no bigger medicine than physical activities. Because these keeps your nervous system regulated. And when your nervous system is regulated, life becomes extraordinarily beautiful. So if you need to train your brain, regulate your nervous system, try out different activities. Search on Google, what are the activities I can try out for regulating my nervous system on a daily basis. And these actually these practices are very, very, very simple. Because it's easily available, we don't take it. So try. Now, moving on to the last point, number 5. But before that, let me remind you, if you need my help to deal with your limiting belief and thoughts and train your brain, then you can reach out to me on this email ID flashing on your screen. Also, the details are given in the description. And if you want to work on your self-concept by yourself, you can check out my ebook, which is a workbook. It will help you a lot to build a new self-concept. And the details of the ebook is also given in the description. Now, the 5th point, validate to invalidate. Let me explain. So whenever your mind is telling you something, oh, it will not happen with you. Tumse nahi hoga. You will not be able to do it. This is so hard. Everybody hates me. Nobody loves me. Validate it. Oh yes, you are right. Mind, you're right. But I choose to be loved. I prefer being loved. Your mind be like, this is really hard. You won't be able to do it. Because in the past you have actually did that. So your mind is giving you information. Your mind is giving you command that, it's hard. You won't be able to do it. Just tell it to your mind. You are right. I won't be able to do it. but I still wanted to try. I still wanted to try. Maybe from the past situation I was not being able to, but I wanted to really try. I choose to try. Every time your mind tells you something negative, everything your mind pops up as negative thinking, validate it to invalidate. The moment you validate is the moment you catch hold of the thought. And the moment you catch hold of the thought, you can actually change that thought. So this is not suppressing or toxic positivity you're practicing. This is a real-time game, dude. You cannot escape this negative circulation of your thoughts until you acknowledge them, validate them, because they are true. Honestly, they are true because you have created patterns in the past, or some way it was created. And guess what? Out of that data, out of that programming, these feedbacks are coming to you. Oh, it will not be. You have postponed or you have ignored applying to certain companies out of some fears, some limiting beliefs. And now finally, after a few years, when you really wanted to apply to those companies, when you feel like, yeah, I can do it, but then your mind will be like, no, you can't. You will fail again, because it's a past programming which you have fed in your mind, and out of that it is giving you feedback. Simple. So it's not wrong, right? So you have to validate it in order to invalidate it, because the moment you validate, you create space for new programming. Okay, I agree what you are saying, but I choose a new path right now. Because if you don't validate, you're suppressing that limiting belief. When you validate, you are releasing it. This is a strange game. You must try, at least try once, and just come back to this video and let me know it works. It of course works. That's why I'm telling you guys. So yes, these are the 5 things that you can do to train your brain. It's so simple and easy, just to sit with yourself. You don't have to go anywhere. And try it and come back to this video. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe this channel if you haven't yet. I love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.